back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today it is 6:45 in the morning. I'm exhausted. I didn't get home until like 11:30 yesterday, and then I ended up going to bed at like 12. So I'm up. It's gonna be a great day, and yeah, I'm so glad you guys are here. Today's video is gonna be a little weird. Hopefully it doesn't start any controversy. As you guys read by the title, I am on my period, and for some people that may be like, oh my god, don't put that on the internet, but I think that we should empower the fact that every girl goes through this, and it's really not that bad of a thing. Hopefully I can shed light on how to make your bad weeks that happen once a month somewhat better. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and yeah, it's gonna be a party. We're gonna have so much fun. I have my retainer in right now in case you couldn't tell. I think I have a lisp when I put it in. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna take that out, and then I'm going to change my pad and put in a tampon. I love how close we are. Okay, so in my bathroom, I have a drawer that has all of the goods, you know. So let me show you guys where that's at. It is the second drawer, and basically all of my products are from August, which is not sponsored, by the way. I just genuinely am obsessed with this brand and what they stand for. This is already packed for whenever I go on sleepovers. Although there isn't any tampons, so I should probably put that in there. Basically, there's 4 different things that I have in here. I've got my tampons, obviously. I've got my day pads, liners to wear whenever I'm wearing a tampon, and then my night pads. The day pad and night pads are actually significantly different, and this one is perfect for nighttime. The absorption is incredible. I'm gonna take one of these, and yeah. About being on my period.
Oh, wonderful.
Dad, you want to tell them what's for breakfast?
It's scrambled eggs with that doesn't look good. Scrambled eggs with mushroom.
And a banana. I hope this is good. So I just finished eating breakfast, and I'm gonna have a brownie because that's what I'm craving right now. And my mom made these delicious brownies yesterday. Look at how good these look. Oh my gosh, I could cry. Best breakfast ever.
Good morning. Brownies for life. For life.
Oh my god, these are so good. Okay, hopefully this lighting is okay. This is my gua sha. It's from the brand Skin Gym, but I just got it at Nordstrom. And basically what I do is I put 3 drops on my face. A very common thing to happen when you're on your period is you obviously break out and stuff. So skincare is very, very important to prioritize during this week especially. I just changed my battery because my camera died, but I want to show you guys, this is today's mascara. Also, literally when I said breakouts happen, I noticed this like 5 minutes later. I don't know if you can see this, but so happy. that's there. So I want to show you all the mascara that I've been using. So I owe it all to this bad boy. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions. Literally, look at my eyelashes. It looks like I've got falsies on. Okay, I need to hurry and like literally get moving. Oh wait, crap, I literally have homework. I should probably do that. Okay, I'm gonna change into like a workout outfit and then I'm gonna do my gov homework and then we'll leave. So I'm actually gonna do my homework at Mary's house, but I wanna show you guys today's fit. So first off, I've got this top from Lululemon. This is the Like a Cloud bra, best sports bra ever. It literally is so freaking soft. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this color. It's like a forest green. Then I've got on these shorts, which are from Aritzia. I'm gonna put on a zip up over this. This is literally getting bigger. Dang it. Are you kidding me right now? And then I'm gonna bring my laptop and stuff over so that I can do some work there. It feels so gross outside. Ugh. I do not know what's going on. After we do our little workout thing this morning, Mary, Lexi, and I are gonna go to Summer Moon or Black Rock Coffee Shop. And we're gonna get coffee, obviously. Personally, I am in favor of going to Summer Moon over Black Rock because they have the best mint matcha moon and it is literally divine. Like, so good. This is what I listen to every morning to get me in a good mood. Love you and I need you, Nelly, I no matter what I do, I think about is you. You know I'm crazy over you. When I touch her, she like, when I hug her,
love you when you help me make it through this year, but it said that we would last. Fell in love with my best friend. Girl, you got values like my mama.
Oh wait, I forgot about this one too. This one's so good.
Hey, mama,
I just need you to ride for me. All you gotta do is spend time with me. If y'all don't know this song, what are you doing?
baby, I just don't get it. Don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about.
Good morning. Look who it is. Did y'all enjoy Applesauce, the dog, in that little time lapse? Mary and I are done with our workout, and now we have some government homework that we need to do.
Applesauce
Got
the
my
dog.
laptop. So the assignment says...
Well, that's actually really easy.
Can y'all believe that it's literally April 21st? This year's flown by so freaking fast. It's really sad. And then we're graduating in a month. I forgot my short sleeve polo, so I have to wear the long one. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, get some chicken minis, and then we're gonna go to Summer Moon, and I'm gonna get my mint matcha moon. So freaking excited. Anyways, here's today's outfit. If you're new here, this is what I have to wear to school. Blue plaid skirt, white polo. I'm in desperate need of chicken right now. Chick-fil-A.
Did you tell them about our little deal we have?
Oh yeah, so Mary and I always do this thing where we go to Chick-fil-A and we get chicken minis, but I only eat the chicken and she gets a side of hash browns, puts the hash browns in the chicken mini buns, and no food goes to waste.
Yeah. And we're saving money.
We are saving money.
Saving money. Why do we always do this? My stomach's gonna hurt
Why
so
do we
bad.
do this? Okay, so we said we were gonna get a fork.
And then I did it.
Look how buttery
I didn't
those
get
are.
like one with the chicken and I put like a small.
I eat the chicken out of the chicken minis.
Then I take the mini part and I put French fries in it. Usually I do hash browns, so they don't have hash browns right now. I dip it in the Polynesian sauce and I put it on there. Close it up like a little sandwich. And take a bite.
Whew. Okay, who wants a Chick-fil-A haul? So every time I go, is there something in my hair? Every time I go to Chick-fil-A, I take stuff. Obviously, I like buy the food, I don't just take it. But I always take some stuff to bring to my car. I'm gonna give a little haul. First, I took 3 of these utensils because sometimes when I go out to eat with people in my car, we need these things. Okay, then I got a bunch of these like hand sanitizer wipes because you never know when you need to clean your hands. So that's also going in there. Then I got a bunch of Chick-fil-A mints, which they actually brought back. They like didn't have these for the longest time. I'm gonna put these inside my car. All right, Mary is going to the school. She's actually not gonna be joining Lexi and I, so I'm gonna go drive to Lexi's house really quick and then we're gonna go get some coffee.
Can I do like the strawberry cold brew? You know what? Give me the biggest one. Thank you, good sir. Dude, I'm about to be up all night. Last time I drank this, no sleep.
Okay, look at my haul.
Okay.
So I got.
Dude, are you kidding me? This is so shady.
And seat is so high up.
Yeah, dude, see this, dude? Her seat is high up and I don't want to move it because she likes it like this, but literally
I'm
like,
so short, that's why.
I can never be caught lacking around you.
Joel. Ow! Anyways, we're gonna be late to class.
Don't say that. We have 9 minutes to
We
go
have
back to
9
school
minutes?
and get to class.
We're not making
From
it.
the parking spot.
If I was driving, we'd be 30 minutes late.
Hey!
I've been a throw up the sex in the I could put you in.
Lexi was the first person to ever hear this song.
It was so good. I was like, this is so cute.
Hi guys, I just got home from school and guess who I'm on the phone with? It's Catherine! The content that I have to shoot today is a TikTok, Instagram story, and Instagram post. It's due tomorrow and Maddie and I are gonna hang out and we're gonna go downtown and get some dinner, so I think that's when I will do a lot of filming, but I'm gonna make the TikTok in here right now. Basically, I'm working with Dick's Sporting Goods and this is the fit that I'm wearing for my TikTok and Instagram story, so you're gonna actually see this probably before that goes up. Maddie and I are gonna go to True Foods tonight. I'm literally so excited. They've got like the yummiest food and yeah, I have been really hungry today, in case you guys could not tell. Definitely been eating a lot, but food is fuel. You need to nourish to flourish, and yeah, I'm just excited to get some good food inside of me. Hi! We are downtown. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these are the buildings. I'm so excited to eat this food. Maddie and I have been here one time with some of our friends who are now freshmen in college.
We've been to this place?
Yeah, to True Foods. You want to tell them how you're doing?
Oh, I'm doing good. Yeah, we had a big tea sesh actually.
Stuff has been going down, you guys. Yeah. It's kind of crazy.
A lot.
A lot.
But you know what? It's getting better.
Mm-hmm. And
I just gotta find a prom date.
Maddie and I are gonna be going to prom together this year, which is
finally,
like, yes.
We weren't gonna be able to.
Yeah,
but
we weren't.
some things happened, and now I can.